To launch the M4, we have it all set up already. So you basically put it in drive, you hit the M mode twice. Hey everybody, Brooks and Drag Times here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are doing before and after testing on this BMW M4 Competition. This has an inline six, comes with about 510 horsepower stock. It is all-wheel drive. We'll quickly check it out. Aftermarket front lip, lowered a bit too. Stance looks really good here. Interior options on the M4, we got full carbon fiber, and I like this little detail here. The M seatbelts on there, that looks pretty cool. This thing has a mean launch control. In a previous video, we did some testing of the M3, which is the four-door version of this. Ran it against the Plaid, really wasn't pretty, but nevertheless, it was really fast. So Kies Motorsports provided this dAHLer piggyback tune. It adds over 100 horsepower. We are gonna do before and after testing with the Draggy. It's got an app that you can select different modes. You can actually bypass the tune completely and run it stock. There's a race mode, a comfort mode, and an economy mode as well, all selectable from your app, which changes the tune inside the car. We're gonna go real quick how to install this, and let's get to the performance testing. But one of the advantages of a piggyback tune is that you can take it out and there's no trace of the install at all. So if you're worried about your warranty, just disconnect everything, throw it in the box, take it to the dealer, and you are all good. Pretty much how this works is you intercept about 4 to 5 connectors in here with the dAHLer tuning unit, and then there's a box that all that connects to, and then you get to select from the app what you want, and it adds over 100 horsepower. We're gonna go do some testing right now, see what it does stock, use the launch control, 0 to 60 and quarter mile, then put it into the race mode. And let's see how much faster this M4 Competition xDrive goes. Okay, so to launch the M4, we have it all set up already. So you basically put it in drive, you hit the M mode twice. That puts us into traction control off, DSC four-wheel drive, and we are all set. There's a display over here that actually shows the power levels, which we will be recording in the Draggy, which we have set up here. And let's give it a test for this full out race mode using the dAHLer piggyback tune. All right, so here we go. We got launch mode ready. I'm gonna hold the brake completely down and go full throttle, and let's see what this thing does. Preparing launch control, active, go. Oh, a little bit of spin.
30, 60.
All right, here we go. This one is no tune, completely bypassed. Engage launch control. Yeah, it doesn't feel as fast. Let's see. Control.
30, 60.
Yeah, it doesn't feel as fast. Let's see. Taking a while to get to 130.
130.
So overall, driving with or without the tune, when you're not on it, it drives just as it does stock, except when you get on it, you could definitely hear the power. 60 to 130, looks like it picked up 2 seconds just in that one metric. Now spinning and not spinning, obviously we're adding some more power, so the car tends to spin a little bit more than maybe it would if it was on stop. But nevertheless, the highway pulling power is definitely noticeable there with that extra 100 horsepower. And as you can see, it ran 11.3 with the tune and 11.5 without. And well, that's basically because when you add 100 horsepower, you got to make sure you have the tires to support that. These tires are P0s, they're a little bit older. I think with some Michelins on here, this thing will drop the 0 to 60 time and drop those quarter mile times even more with the tune. However, if you look at the top end data, 60 to 130, it was hitting like 8.5, 60 to 130 with the tune, and without in stock form, it's running like 10.2. That is a huge difference from 60 to 130. So you can really see how the power is being applied throughout the power band. It's just not showing up so much on the launch.
30. 60.
Now you can also look at the trap speed data. In stock form, it's trapping about 120 miles an hour, and afterwards it's going upwards of 126. So 6 mile an hour trap speed through the quarter mile. If you're racing this against a stock car, you're probably talking like 5 or 6 car lengths with this tune. Thanks again to Kies Motorsports for providing the dAHLer tune for this car. I will put a link down in the description if you guys want to check out what they have to offer and possibly add this to your car. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, helps the video and the channel, and we will see you next video.